Hello and welcome to Qureshi farm. Now to show you around. Now I've come here after a very long, I think a month and a half. Let's see if Kim and Tiger recognize me. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Let's check out the cultivation, how it's that going. This here is the hybrid Napier, which we had got from Andhra Pradesh. We planted 2,000 a year back in October, and only around 40 grew, of which we are using the same stems to cultivate further. Now, using the stems that have been successful on our soil, the success rate is going to be much higher than before. Now let me show you the kids. That's the pure Jamnapari that we have. Now we have a flock of around 250 goats and sheep. We maintain some of the best pure line breeds, the superior genetics in the country. So let me show you. What we also do is we've moved from stall fed only to semi stall fed. So that means we leave them out to graze, so they are very close to the natural habitat. We give them water and let them graze on our fields. And this is one of the fields that we have. This is the pure line Sirohi, single color, brown. A Siroi again. This is a Magra kid, pure line Magra kid. It's a Magra sheep. This one here is the Australian Merino, the exotic that we have on our farm. After a couple of hours of grazing in the natural habitat like this, under the shade of a tree, let me show you a superior genetic Sekawati does. Now that's the flock of Qureshi farm.